All right. So there's three different scenarios when you are graphing quadratics. The quadratic may just hit the x-axis in exactly one position. That is one real solution. So you'll just have x equals a single number. Um, it could also happen when it's a negative slope or a negative a value. Here for two real solutions, it crosses the x-axis twice. Again, you can have that happen for one that's going down, and you'll get x equals two different numbers, and that's why we call that two real solutions. And the last one here, it never crosses, so it never intersects the x-axis. So we say no real solutions. That's not to say that there aren't solutions. The solutions are just something called complex numbers, which you haven't learned about yet. That's coming later this chapter. All right, one real solution. So if it's telling us that it's one real solution, we should expect it to hit the graph in one position. So um, let's hope that that happens. Now, before we can solve it, I need to take this whole equation and I need to set it equal to 0. So 14 minus x squared equals negative 6x plus 23. I need to move the x squared over, so I'm going to add x squared to both sides. And I get 14 equals x squared minus 6x plus 23. Subtract 14 from both sides. And then now on my left hand side I have 0 equals x squared minus 6x plus 9. And I'm going to graph y equals x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now let's find our axis of symmetry. And to do that, x equals negative 6 over 2 times 1, or 6 over 2, or 3. X equals 3. Make our table of values. Put 3 at the center. Let's go 2, 1, and 0. And then let's go 4, 5, and 6. Now, here, because it happens to be one real solution, they tell me ahead of time, I know it's going to be at the vertex, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to fill out my table of values here. When I plug in 0, I get 9, which means when I plug in 6, I should also get 9. When I plug in 1, 1 squared is 1, minus 6 is negative 5, plus 9 is 4. So the 4 goes down here at the 5. Plug in 2, 2 squared is 4, minus 12 is negative 8, plus 9 is 1, and 1. 3 squared is 9, minus 18 is negative 9, plus 9 is 0. And there we go. That's the part that I'm looking for. That's where my solution is when y equals 0. So let's graph it real quick. Boom, graph it. 0 is all the way up at 9, so I'm not going to go there. 1 goes to 4. 2 goes to 1. 3 goes to 0. 1 and 4. And there is, it's going to come from right up there. So my solution, x equals 3. That's the x coordinate right here at the vertex where it crosses the x-axis.